GM, welcome to my daily Bitcoin analysis. I wasn't here yesterday to follow up, so now we're here. 2 days later, I had left an order to be filled, but price never came back. Therefore, we're leaving behind this idea and we're going to go for a new setup. All right, so Bitcoin has been reverting its move, its impulse. It went from week of March 30, all the way to first week of May, so a little over a month. It moved up, giving the market the sentiment of hope that Bitcoin is back. And then it came back into this area, our weekly swing low and our weekly swing high and our potential swing low slash BOS. Prices to continue down, then we'd have a break of structure and we'd be seeing Bitcoin below the 60s, which is a retest of this zone right here. This is where Bitcoin is. We're back to 2024. Next level that I would be looking at will be this. Oops, not here. Next level I will be looking at will be this one. Support that I would see right here. Beautiful. So this is what I would identify as weekly support. This was the last area that price touched before leaving. Expectation right now is for price to do something here, right? Let's set an alarm here. On the daily, strong momentum down, leaving little gap right here, daily gap. And if we just look at it for its leg, then we have the high, we have here. We are still in a downtrend. We are still very much in a downtrend. We could expect a normal pullback somewhere around here, 74K. One last time before meeting a new low, right? Or price could just come here, consolidate, and then just leave. A little similar to what we just had. We just have to be prepared for everything because it's false to say that price will cover every gap. You had a gap here, look, never filled. Will it be filled in time? Yes, absolutely. In due time, it will be filled. Question is when, and that unfortunately we do not know. All right, zoom in into the 4-hour chart now that we have our short confirmation. What will we do? What are we going to do today? This is what we have. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Double bottom. What is volume telling us? I feel like I've missed a lot since. But definitely this is our point of interest. Point of control, it's called. And we have our high right here. And this line here is actually interesting because, yes, you saw it. It is aligned with a gap right here. But this gap has been filled. For me, my entry would be at 69,247. Will it happen? Who knows? It's a pretty big trade. So this would actually be more of a swing trade rather than an intraday. But swing trade idea, this would be something to keep your eyes on. I'm definitely keeping my eyes on this one. So that's the swing analysis. Let's zoom in into small time frames. Intraday. Intraday, we're still below the 200 EMA, slightly breaking the 50 EMA again. We've had some disrespect all along this. We've had the first disrespect right here of the bands, indicating weakness in the market. You see, we stopped here following our normal market structure, broke here, came back. This was a false signal, false market structure break. And double bottom. Double bottom is an excellent signal, excellent for a reversal. However, it doesn't mean we're going to jump on it. We need to wait for confirmation, right? And so confirmation for me right now, price is still in a short-term intraday bearish unless we break here. We have the MSB reversal bull signal. We have here potential swing low / double bottom. Price looks more to be in a range. That means that my levels are here, here. So no, my mistake, this is not a reversal. This would be the reversal. The minute MSB reversal signal as swing high, swing low, and anything that happens between this doesn't affect, but my point of interest will be around here. And it's great because it aligns with the 200 EMA retest. I will be setting my fib from here to here. A little lower, there we go. I will be looking at shorts very soon as I have a signal. I wouldn't be surprised to have a reversal if price closes below this 0.618. Then I'll definitely be considering a reversal for today. And so this is expectation right now. It just depends if price can close below or not. What does the 5 minutes say? All right. Bottomed here. We're going back. And I mean, if you look at this, right? If you look right here, price pulls back 50% strong. That's what it means. We're going strong. Is this reversal? Too soon to say. Very unlikely considering the selling pressure that is everywhere. Every high time frame points down. It's very unlikely to see price reverting today. Barely hitting we're still far from this. But intraday, if this candle closes red, this is what I'd be looking at. Probably a little bit more aiming these lows to be claimed. But probability expectation up until this low, much more reasonable. And I will get back to you with the results tomorrow. And so, yes, this is my analysis for the day. This is what I see for Bitcoin. Still going down. No signs of reversal yet. Let's all be patient and work with what we have. GM, have a blessed day.